Take a moment to check out the 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Dodge Grand Caravan, the quintessential 7-seat minivan that has the power, safety features, and lush amenities to make your road trips and projects a breeze. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: power liftgate, electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, aluminum wheels, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. It's the indispensable family vehicle that has the punchy power to make driving fun. Drive the Grand Caravan.